Are you worried about strangers lurking on your Threads account? In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to make your Threads account private in just a few easy steps so that only your approved followers can see your content. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Privacy. Now, at the very top, you will see the Private Profile option. If you want to make your profile private, simply toggle on this switch. And it will show this little pop-up. Switch to a private profile? Only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Simply tap OK to make your Threads account private. This is exactly how you can make your Threads account private. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.